Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make gulab jamun ki roti. This recipe is really nice and amazing and really sweet, and you can serve it with tea as well. Let's start the recipe. First you will need 2 gulab jamuns or as much as you require. This is dried flour and this is kneaded dough. Now take a portion from it and dip it in the dry flour and make a ball with the help of your hands like this. Now then press it in the plate of the dry flour like this and turn it around to get dough everywhere. Now do as it's shown. Now flat it up with the help of a rolling pin from both the sides. Now these are the gulab jamun. Smash it up with the help of spoon, or you can even use your hands with it. Now after it's done, add it in the roti that is being made like this. Now grab it up from the corner and start folding it like this. Once it's done, remove the excess dough. Now again flat it up using your hands. Now again take it and dip it into the dry flour from both the sides and the corners as well. Now use the rolling pin again and flat it up like a roti. Now take a pan, heat it up and add the rotis one by one. Now toast it on both the sides. Once it's done from the one side, flip it and add ghee over it and spread it all over. Just like this, keep flipping until both of them are ready. You can see how dark brown and cooked it looks from this side, and the same goes to the other side as well. Now our first paratha is done. Now it's time to make another one. Place the another one as well and toast it from one side and flip it once it's done from the first side. Now add ghee all over it and spread it. Now flip it to the other side and repeat the same process. And you can see our second paratha is also done. Now place the paratha on the tray and cut it into 4 pieces. If you want, you can cut it into pieces, or else you can just eat. Now you can see that it's done cutting, and if you open, you can see the gulab jamuns inside. So it's ready to serve. Our yummy gulab jamun ki roti is ready to eat. You can see how tasty it is, and it's really sweet and delicious. You have to share this recipe with your friends and family. And also you can serve this gulab jamun ki rotis with tea as well. It will be also really very good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and thanks for watching.